Verb 3, how are you? Today we'll solve from questions bank دقهلية government algebra second term final revision. Look at with me about model number 1. Number 1 here, choose the correct answer. The two straight line which represents the two equation x equal 3 and y equal 5 are space. We know x equals 3 and y equal 5 are perpendicular. Okay, choose letter A, because if we have coordinate here, if we have this coordinate, first equation about x equal 3 here, it will be a straight line, and y equal 5 here, it's a question about y equal 5, the sine between them or the angle between them equal 90 degree. Okay, then x equal 3 and y equal 5 are perpendicular. Question number 2, the equation 1 over x plus 1 over y equal 3 of space degree. He asked about degree. You can simplify this equation to find the degree about 1 over x plus 1 over y. By right, 1 over x plus 1 over y equal 3. Multiplication by xy from left hand side and right hand side. Multiplication by x by y. xy times 1 over x, the result will be equal y. And xy times 1 over y, the result will be x. And 3 times xy, it will be 3xy. So it will be the second degree. We must choose second degree, letter B. Question number 3. Number of solution of the equation 2x minus 6 equals 0 in R square is space. The number of solution about this equation is 1, because 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 minus 6 equals 0. So we have one solution about this equation. 2x minus 6 equals 0. It will be 2x equals 6 by divided by 2, then x equal 3. So we have one solution about this equation. Okay, we must choose letter A. Question letter B. By using a general formula, find in R the solution set of the equation x bar 2 minus 2x minus 6 equals 0, approximating the result to the nearest two decimal places. X bar 2 minus 2x minus 6 equals 0, A equal 1 and B equal negative 2 and C equal negative 6. And we know x equal negative b, positive or negative, square root of b power 2 subtract 4ac over 2a. X equal negative b, here it will be positive 2, positive or negative, square root of negative 2 power 2 equal 4, subtract 4 multiplication by a1, multiplication c equal negative 6 over 2 multiplication 1 here equal 2. Then x equal 2 positive or negative square root about 4 plus 4 times 6 equal 24. Okay, over 2. X will be equal 2 positive or negative square root over 28 over the result about the numerator 2. Okay, we can use a calculator. The result will be 1 plus root 7 and 1 minus root 7. Okay, by using calculator, the result will be negative 1.6. Yes, about asked in the example about approximating the result here about 2 decimals. So the result will be what? Negative 1.6 and 5, because 5 can get 1 or give 1 4. The result will be 1.65. and the result here about second result, it will be 3.65 because 5 give 1 4. Okay, 3.65. Okay, it's the result about this equation. Understood? Next question shows the correct answer. A number formed from 2 digits, its units digit equal its tenth unit. Again, shows the correct answer. A number formed from 2 digits, its units digit equal its tenth digit equal x. Then the number will be what? Look at here about units and tens. It's like or same, such that x and x. We can write here x multiplication by 11. Okay, so the result will be 11x. Because if you put here 1, the result will be 11. Put 2, the result will be 22. Put 3 times 11, because 11x, it's meaning 11 times a x. But x power 2, it's false, because if you put 1 here, the result will be 1, not 11. Okay, and 2x, it's wrong, because if you put here 1, the result will be 2 only. But if you put 11x and you put 1, the first number will be 11. Or if you put x here 2, the number will be 22. Or you put here 9 times 11 equal 99. So it will be true. We must choose letter C. Understood? Okay, question number 2. If n of x equal x minus 3 over x plus 2 and n power negative 1 is the inverse about function n of constant k equal 7 over 2, then k equal space when x not belonging to 3 and negative 2. Okay, we can find the inverse about this function n power negative 1, the inverse about this function. We can write here x plus 2 over x minus 3, and he give us n power negative 1 of k, n power negative 1 of k. The result will be equal 7 over 2. Okay, so we must put here k, let x equal k plus 2 over k minus 3 equal 7 over 2, and x not equal 2 and negative 2. You can find the result about k by multiplication about extremes and means. The product about extremes equals the product of means. Okay, then 7 times k equals 7k minus 3 times 7 equal 21, 2 times k equal 2k, 2 times 2 equal 4, and then 2k subtract from 7k equal 5k, and the negative 21 we can move it to right hand side. 4 plus 21 equal 25. We can divide it by 5 to find the constant here equal 5. So k will be equal 5. Shows letter B about this example. Question number 3. If A and B are two mutual exclusive event from the sample space of random experiment, then A intersection B equal what? A intersection B equal 5. Okay, look at this example. He asked about A intersection B, but if he asked about probability, we must choose 0. So in this example, we must choose 5. Okay, my students, choose 5 about this example. If he asked about probability, we must equal 0. Question letter B, find n of x is the simplest form about this example. Okay, look at with me here. I will solve all steps here. N of x equal x power 2 subtract by 2x subtract by 15 over x power 2 subtract by 9 divided by 2x minus 10 over x power 2 minus 6x plus 9. Okay, we can simplify this example in the simplest form. Write x here and x, and 15 equal 3 times 5. 5 like the sign here, and 3 will be the inverse about negative, because multiplication about them equal 15, and if we subtract about them, the result will be negative 2. And convert from division to multiplication, and here x negative 3 and x plus 3. We can write 2 coefficient between two terms here, a to x minus 10 raised to outside here, 2 multiplication by x minus 5. And here x power 2 minus 6x plus 9, we can subtract about 2 digits, or ask yourself which 2 digit multiplication about them equal 9, and if we them equal 6, the result will be 3 and 3. Right, x minus 3 and x minus 3. Okay, and we can find here what the solution set, or simplest, we can find the domain. Domain equal r, subtract set of zeros here about denominator 3 and negative 3, and here 5, and here 3, and only 3, right, 3 here. Okay, so only, and then you can cancel x plus 3 by x plus 3, and x minus 3 by x minus 3, and x minus 5 by x minus 5. So the result about n of x in simplest form equal x minus 3 in numerator and 3 and 2 in numerator. It's the simplest form about this function. Okay. Question 3. If the set of zeros of f such that f of x equal ax power 2 plus bx plus 15 is 3 and 5, then find the value of a and b. Okay, he give us the set of zeros about function. Set of 5, it will be 25a plus 5b equal negative 50. You can use a calculator to find the result in one step. Okay, it shows this equation, this sign here 3, button 3, equation number 5, and it shows number 1, and write the equation here 9 equal, and 3 equal, and negative 15 equal, and 25 equal, 5 equal, negative 15 equal. Then a will be equal 1 and b equal negative 8 to find the solution. Okay, to understood the step, first equation here we can divide it by a by 3. To simplify it, it will be 3a plus b equal negative 5, and second divided by 5 equal 5a plus b equal negative 3. We can divide it by 3 here, and here divided by 5. Okay, and then we can solve the equation 3a plus b equal negative 5 and 5a plus b equal negative 3. By multiplication this equation by negative 1, it will be negative 3a right here, negative 3a, negative b equal 5, and we can add them. To simplify example, 5a minus 3 equal 2a equal 5 minus 3 equal 2 divided by 2, then a will be equal 1. A equal 1, put here a equal 1, this example, 3 times 1 equals 3, moving here, negative 5 minus 3 equal negative 8, or put here a equal 1, 5 here, moving negative 5 plus negative 3 equal negative 8, then b equal negative 8. So a equal 1 and b equal negative 8. You can find solution in one step. Okay, next question here. If n1 of x equal x power 2 minus 4 over x power 2 plus x minus 6, and n2x equal x power 2 minus x minus 6 over x power 2 minus 9, show that if n1 of x equal n2 of x or not, find the common domain in which that n1 of x equal n2 of x. Okay, we can find n1 in the solution simplest form here. n1 of x equal x power 2 minus 4 over x power 2 plus x minus 6. You can write x minus 2 multiplication by x plus 2 over x multiplication by x, and 2 times 3, the greatest like the median term here, and this number will be like the smallest like negative, the sign here. Okay, and we can write the domain r subtract set of 0 here, 2 and negative 3, and we can simplest n1 of x simplest form, cancel this with other, it's 2 plus 2 over x plus 3. Okay, and what about second function here, x power 2 subtract x minus 6 over x power 2 minus 9. We can factorize this expression. X times x, 3 times 2, 3 like here negative and this number positive, and x minus 3 multiplication x plus 3, domain R, subtract by 3 and negative 3. Okay, and we can cancel negative by negative here, then x plus 2 over x plus 3. We have here like denominator, okay, no, we have here domain 1 not equal domain 2, then n1 not equal to n2. Okay, but n1 of x equal n2 of x. Okay, in this example we prove that n1 of x equal n2 of x. Then we can write here n1 of x equal n2 of x. Okay, and the common domain we can write here, common domain will be equal what? Right here, domain about 1 and 2, 2 and the negative 3 and 3. It's common domain between two functions. Okay, my students, then n1 of x equal n2 of x, but n1 not equal n2. He don't ask about this example, about this question, but he asked about what? n1 of x equal n2 of x or not. It will be equal. Okay, the result will be right here equal about this example. Okay, and the common domain, the result will be R subtract 2 and negative 3 and 3. Question 4, find the simplest form addition about two function here. n1 or n of x equal x, we can factorize this example, x power 2 plus 3x plus 9. We can factorize this expression, but we can factorize the expression in the numerator here, x power 3 minus 27, right? X minus 3 multiplication x power 2 plus 3x plus 9 plus x minus 4 power 2 over x multiplication by x and 3 times 4, 4 and 3, and the sign here negative and negative. The domain will be R, subtract 3 here and 4, and we have 3 again, don't write 3 again, and you can simply cancel this fraction by this fraction, then n of x will be 1 over x minus 3 plus x minus 4. We can cancel this expression by 1 about the power over x minus 3 in the numerator, and then n of x, you can find the result in the simplest form because we have the same denominator. 1 plus x minus 4 equal x minus 3 over x minus 3 equal 1. The result will be equal 1. Question letter B, right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, side is 5 centimeter and its perimeter 30 centimeter, y, and we know y greater than x because it's hypotenuse, and give us the parameter about them equal 30. 30 equal 5 plus x plus y, then x plus y will be equal 25. It's the first relation here between x and y, and we can using Pythagorean theorem. 5 power 2 equal 25 plus x power 2 equal y power 2, and then y power 2 minus x power 2 equal 25. You can factorize it, y minus x multiplication by y plus x equal 25, and we have y plus x equal 25, then y minus x equal 1. because 1 times 25 equal 25. Then y minus x equal 1. Y minus x equal 1. Then y will be 1 plus x. Okay, put in this relation y equal 1 plus x. Then x plus 1 plus x equal 25. Then 2x equal 25. X plus x equal to x. You can move 1 to left hand side. Then 2x equal 24 divided by 2. Then x will be equal 12. Then x equal 12 centimeter. X will be 12 centimeter and y will be 13 centimeter, because x equal y plus, or x plus 1 equal y, then y equals 13 centimeter. And then you can find the area about this triangle, half times the base times the height. Area equal 12 multiplication by 5 divided by 2. Half times the base times the height. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. 6 times 5 equals 30. Then the area equals 30 square centimeter. Question number 5. If A and B are two events of the same space randomly, or random experiment, and probability about A equals 0.6, and probability about B equals 0.7, probability about A intersection B equals 0.4, find probability about A difference B. We can find probability about A difference B. It's meaning probability about A subtract probability about A intersection B. Okay, put here 0.6 subtract probability about intersection equals 0.4. The result will be 0.2. It's question number 1. Question number 2. Probability of occurrence of one of two events at least. At least it's meaning what? It's meaning union. Probability about A union B. It equal probability about A plus probability about B. Subtract about A intersection B. Probability about A equal what? 0.6 plus 0.7. Subtract intersection about them equal 0.4 equal 13 minus 4 equal 0.9. The result will be 0.9. Question letter B. If k plus 5 minus x power 2 over x power 2 minus 3x is additive inverse of the fraction x over x minus 3, then find the value of k. Okay, it's meaning what? It's additive inverse of the function. Additive inverse, it's meaning this function equal negative this function. Okay, additive inverse of the fraction. Okay, then k plus 5 minus x power 2 over x power 2 minus 3x, it's equal negative x over x minus 3. Okay, he asked about the value about k because he tell us additive inverse. Okay, you can write here x in numerator, it will be x minus 3, write x coefficient, and x here minus 3, and here x plus 5 minus x power 2. We can cancel x by x. This parenthesis, what is this parenthesis? And we have x here, x times x equal x power 2, then k plus 5 minus x power 2 equal x times x equal x power 2. The product of extremes equals the product of means. And we can move negative x power 2 to left hand side. It will be 2x power 2 equal k plus 5. Then 2x power 2 equal k plus 5. Find the value about k about this example. Who can tell me? We can write this example: 2x power 2 equal 5 plus x. Or we can using another method. Look at here, I will solve another method to find the result. Think with me, okay? We can write here x multiplication x minus 3 and x minus x, x minus 3, okay? And negative here. And k plus 5 minus x power 2. Look at here. If we find x times x equal what? X power 2. Look at here. Left hand side equal right hand side. Then k must be equal negative 5 because negative 5 plus 5 equals 0. To find the equality, look at here. If k equal negative 5, then negative x power 2 over x minus 3 equal this expression. So we must put here negative 5, because negative 5 plus 5 equals 0. We can cancel 2 terms here. If we put k equal negative 5, then left hand side will be equal right hand side. Then k must be equal negative 5.